Hi guys, so nahuman na gud mi sa dance class.
Ay, mag-take over sa ko sa vlog ni Munchkin.
Hi! Hi, Lu. Hi. Hi, Kuya! Unsa may tanong karon ya?
Juan, Penelope by Zach Water.
Ngayon ako wala naka-dance balik. So, this is my chance again to like shake those fats off, baby. Let's do it. Yeah. Subscribe, subscribe. Hi guys, so nahuman na gud mi sa dance class. And naiingon si Kuya John.
Hi guys, by the way, salamat tayo sa pag-attend sa akong dance class. So, by the way, schedule sa dance class sa Ecstatic is Fridays is dance hall, then Saturdays, intermediate choreo class, and advanced choreo class. That is, intermediate is 2 p.m. and advanced choreo class is 3:30 p.m. So, depende rin ako kung si teacher. Fridays and Saturdays. So, visit sa Ecstatic Dance Studio rin sa Cariago. Ang page sa Ecstatic Dance Studio, mga siya Ecstatic Dance Studio. Niya ang Facebook account ko sa Ecstatic CDO and Ecstatic Legacy. Alright, and also, follow sa mga.
Yes.
Jan Gonzalez.
Link in description lang guys.
Yes. Si Munchkin naman.
Hi! Ay, mag-take over sa ko sa vlog ni Munchkin. Kay si Munchkin, kay busy pa kayo. Gigan siya nag-dance class. And I'm here, Ecstatic Studio.
Yo! Tell you what you want or you really want.
Yeah, my uncle. Yeah.
But they call it Manang.
This is Ryan, the
Yeah.
bridal shower dancer.
Yeah, with the hose up, bro. Yeah, with the hose up. Oh.
This is Alpas Pampugman.
What's up, guys?
Shout out to Pugman.
Shout out, man. Barangay Captain, yo.
And
That is Malabat. With the white long sleeve. Man, straight long sleeve.
yeah,
Yeah, that one.
that's wrap.
Yeah, that.
Ecstatic Studio. Dito na. Kalambaguhan. Chano Kalambaguhan. Top. The Princess of Ecstatic.
Oh!
Shout out.
Hello everyone.
Exotic from Dubai.
Thank you for coming.
Exotic from UAE. Exotic from Bahrain. From
Yes. Kuya Ray.
Kuya Ray.
Australia. Alright, and
Ano pa?
Breflex from NHA. Shout out to Sagan, the best.
So guys, every Saturday there will be a dance class from kids, intermediate, and then advanced for only 150 per person. So join up guys. Exotic every Saturday dance class. Ciao, see you guys.